Hey, you! Take a deep swallow from this bottle. Good. Nothing happened, so it can't be poisoned. And on we go. I can't believe my eyes. The ale bottle has been refilled. Stupid panda. I'm not going home. The parties have merely started. Step aside, lad. You are standing in my way. So you're the tough guy, huh? Speak, fool! You won't budge? Then you begged for this. Whoa! Can't a dwarf be alone anymore? I wish I had. Home sweet home. There is fire in my fireplace. Do I have guests? I don't remember inviting anybody. I'd better go check and keep my axe ready. Nobody here. Strange. Uncle Wendolf!
Yeah, ha, ha! The mighty Viking at your service. Arr!
What brought you here?
Something odd is going on. I can feel it in my fur.
You can't say that again. I just had the weirdest day of my life yesterday. And then I found you, Wendolf.
Huh? Sorry. You don't have the slightest idea what you wished.
Nope, I was too wasted. But it must have happened, since I still have this ale bottle.
Let me have a closer look at it. Ah, there's something written here in a label.
I haven't noticed it there before.
Aye, the text must have been repealed when you urinated in the label. One boost to fold them all. One boost to find them. One boost to bring them all. And in the darkness bind them.
Doesn't sound so promising. What shall we do?
The booze must be destroyed.
Alright, I'll just throw it in the fire then.
No! It is far too dangerous. You must find Jin to read wine. He will know what to do.
I saw him in the tavern. Let's go. Blasted! What in the nine devils is happening?
Goblins seem to have stolen your ship.
Thanks for pointing that out, lad.
We come in peace. We take ship and fly away with our spaceship.
Oh no, you're not. Over my broken axe.
Alert! Hostile detected. Terminate.
I'll deal with this. You must reach Jinto before it's too late.
And you get all the fun? Alright. I'll take my mount. Show me the meaning of haste, you. Here we are.
Oh,
What's the matter, Omar Leroy?
they're all dead.
Have you seen Jinto?
Yes, he went upstairs, and moments later those horrible creatures attacked us.
We need to see if there's still someone alive.
As you wish, Baron.
I hope we're not too late. No,
Their bones are gone.
not anymore. We have to investigate upstairs.